Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily and I want to wish you a very happy new year. And I'm kickstarting this year with a birthday card. And I'm using some lovely products from Miss Ink today and some inks that was really springy and happy. And of course I'm using my most beloved blending brushes from Trinity Stamps when I'm doing this ink blending. And I picked a cloud mask that is a part of the Rainbow Sky stencil, and this you can mask off your clouds, but I wanted to create like a resist technique or just using the white part here to create some really fun interest to this card. And this really is a simple one. So all I'm doing here is just laying down some colors and then I'm going over this really carefully so I'm not messing up my white clouds here. And I'm just filling in some of the areas there with some parts. And then off camera I stamped and colored in a couple of different stamps from different sets. This one is from the Birthday Gnomes. I just heat set the sentiment there. And I also used from the Punny Farm Pigs, the pig and some presents and a cake and a balloon and a party hat, of course. You can never have too many party hats. And I'm just colored it in with my Spectrum Noir markers. And then I will place this down. And since this is a really springy, happy scene, I wanted to have, and it's clouds and the pig cannot fly, of course. So I wanted to ground him with my sentiment, happy birthday sentiment there. And since I didn't have that much black on my panel here, and I always like a bit of black on my panels, I think all the other colors look a little bit better when you have something that is contrasting with it. So I wanted to have a strip of pattern paper to one of the sides there. You can see I just picked a black and white striped pattern. I've really been loving doing that lately, so I kept going with that one. And I also went in with my beloved white gel pen, and off camera I will also go in with some sparkle to the balloon, and you will see it in the close-up pictures later on. And yeah, that pretty much finished this project off. Really simple, and since I colored a lot of this off screen, it also saved a lot of time, but just know you can use whatever medium you like to color in your images. And here it is. I also put some stars in my cloud scene. Don't ask me why, I just thought it looked good. Until next time, have a good day, and I will leave links down below for all the products and of course my coordinating blog post. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!